Forget the hype, let's see real AI fight. We're pitting Minimax, Kling, and Runway against each other. Same prompt, no filters, raw output. First up, Minimax. Input our prompt, hit generate, and wait. We're looking at speed and adherence to the request. Okay, Minimax delivers. A little cartoonish, but recognizable elements. Let's move on. Now, Kling steps into the ring. Same prompt, same expectations. This one is known for its video generation, but let's see its image chops. Kling's take is definitely ... interpretive, less literal, more artistic maybe. Points for creativity, deduction for accuracy. Finally, Runway. We'll ask it to create a short video clip from the prompt and check which output is most interesting. Runway delivers video, it's choppy, but it fulfills the prompt in motion. That's another great approach. The winner? It depends on what you're looking for. Minimax for straightforward image generation, Kling for abstract art, and Runway for moving images. But what's your winner? Let us know in the comments.